welcome back to my channel. And first of all, thank you to give such good response to my first video. That makes me more enthusiastic and more like keep going kind of, that I will share much more good tips and much more good video in future. So my today's video is about how to oil your hairs. There's a proper way of oiling your hairs, and that's what exactly I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's get started. And this is my little setup to show you how I make my blend of oil and what kind of proportions I take of oil. So this is my first oil, and if you wanted to know like in detail about oils, why I use only these oils, so you can see my previous video. I'll link it down. So yes, this is castor oil. This is very thick oil, so I just take half a teaspoon. This is olive oil. This I take 1 teaspoon, and this is lavender essential oil. This I take 3 drops. This is rosemary essential oil. This I take 4 drops. And this is clary sage. This I take only 2 drops. And 1 capsule of vitamin E. And this is my blend of oil. And now I heat this oil, and that I'll show you when I apply my oil. So this is my blend of oil, and with this I have like tangle free, smooth, without frizzy hair. And now I just washed my hairs, and I didn't even comb my hairs, but you can see that they are very tangle free. They are very tangle free. So yes, so as you can see, I have pretty good length, but I don't go overboard with oils. Yes, I don't apply too much of oil. I just made a blend front of you, and this is about 2 teaspoon, and that's all. Only this much of oil I apply on my scalp and on my hair length. What too much of oil does is, first it softens your root, and second it clogs your pore. So when it softens your root, when you comb or you do like little bit pull or tug on your root, it will fall out. And if it clogs your pores, then it will hamper your hair growth. So too much of anything is dangerous. And second thing which I wanted to say you is, you should at least oil twice in a week, or at least whenever you shampoo, just oil before night and then you shampoo next day. But don't wash your hairs without oiling. Yes, you will see the difference within 2 months if you be consistent with it. And yeah, so let's not blabber a lot, and let's get into the video and in the process. So let's get started. So let's begin the video. And first step of hair oiling is to change into your old t-shirt or your nightwears, because oiling is a messy process and you don't want to go in your clothes, neither do I. So yes, many people say me that they encounter hair fall when they oil their hair, but you have a right way of oiling your hair. So if you follow that right way, then you will not encounter as much as hair fall which you are having now, because you will encounter minimum of hair fall. So my blend of oil is ready. And the one thing I wanted to say you, and if you wanted to know what kind of oils I have been using in this, then you can check my previous video where I have been talking about this deliberately. And yes, so my one tip is, you need to apply hot oil, because hot oil will penetrate in your root shaft very quickly, and it will lock in moisture into your follicles. So thereby you will have strong follicle and less hair fall. But I don't microwave my oil. Rather, I have a hack of making my oil hot. That is this. Yes, this is pan of hot water, and I just dip my bowl of oil into it, and I keep it for 15 minutes, and it will get hot naturally. And yes, so let's go to second step of hair oiling, which is how to apply. Welcome to second step of oiling, and this is the condition of my hair. This is my 4th day washed hair, and they are like hell frizzy and you know very hard to maintain. So that's what I oil today and I shampoo tomorrow. I keep oil for about 12 hours or something. Like always I apply oil at night and then I wash out at morning. So yes, let's begin. Part your hair into 2 sections, equal halves, and begin your hair oiling process. Take the oil on tip of your fingers and just warm it. Some people use cotton balls, but I prefer my finger. And you have to just apply this way, like very little pressure. You don't have to be, sorry if I look like a devil, but yeah. You have to be very gentle with your hair. Sorry if I look there, because there I have my mirror, so yeah. So now I'm not going to talk to you. Anyhow, you can see the actions and you can get by yourself. So yes, in that way it will be easier. So yes, and then you have to make another section. Repeat the same process. You have to make again section. And the last one of this side. So in this way you need to do your another side as well. So I will get back to you after oiling my whole head. Then I'll show you how to oil your strand. Third part of hair oiling. Yes, you need to oil your length as well. So you have to take out some thin sections, and then you have to comb it through it and make sure that you don't have any knots and tangles. Don't use your hairbrush, because at that you have been oiled your scalp. So at this time your scalp will be very fragile. So just don't comb through, because that will have a pull on your root, and that way your hair will fall. So just take some drop of oil and start from end. So you can see, like you can see that I don't have any kind of fallout right now. So yeah, you need to be very gentle, and then you need to make your way up. You should not rub your hair, just press it down so that everything penetrates inside your hair strands and locks the moisture in. So you should not use hair brush or hair comb right now. Just let it be. So yeah, so I just do this thing with my hair because that's my way of oiling my hair. So ignore if I'm looking way too funny. But yes, this is how I oil my hair, and that's why I'm showing you. You should repeat the same process. Make another section. Take very few drops of oil and just very gently move your hand. I have way too long hairs, so it takes a lot of time for me to oil, but yet I apply 2 times in a week. I've oiled my total hairs, and now there's a little hack for ends, because I have extremely dry ends, like extremely dry ends. So I just do one thing, is there's like couple of drops left in my bowl, so I just dip my ends into it and just grasp all the oil so that they are like well moisturized. And I also will show you my amount of shedding, that like how much amount of hair I shed when I oil my hair, and that is only this much, like if you can see. Yeah, so this is the oil routine and the correct way of application of oil. So now as you oil your hairs, now it's your choice if you put your hair in a bun or in a like braid. I prefer braid because I keep oil overnight, so bun would be difficult for me. So yes, so I'll be right back after braiding my hairs. So I'm back after braiding my hair. So I just braid my hair in this way. In this way my ends, you know, have the proper moisturization. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, then try this method of oiling and just say me what are the results you got by having this method of oiling. Just comment it down. Thank you. So this was the process of hair oiling, guys. So if you felt my video was helpful to you, then please like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you will be notified every time whenever I upload a video. So if you have any kind of queries regarding this video, or if you are facing any kind of skin and hair issues, then just comment it down and I will reply you back, or I will make a video regarding your problem. And yes, so you will also have glamorous hair and skin like I have. So yes, this is it for the video, guys. Meet you in my next video. Till that, stay glamorous. Bye bye.